The first major class of biomolecules that we're going to examine is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are my favorite kind of biomolecule because I love to eat them, especially when I'm sad. We can have simple carbohydrates and we can have complex carbohydrates.
The monomers of carbohydrates are called monosaccharides. The polymers are called polysaccharides.
Glucose is an important monosaccharide. It is the basis for a lot of important structures and a lot of other important biomolecules. This is especially true of ATP. So when we start to talk about cellular respiration, we're going to talk about how do we start out with glucose and end up with ATP, this really important high energy molecule that allows us to do all the metabolism that we need to do to stay alive. We also have complex carbohydrates. So these are going to be our polymers. Some important complex carbohydrates, so important saccharides are starch, right? So that's a bunch of glucose molecules that are just hooked together end to end to end to end to end. Plants use this. This is their storage molecule. And our bodies can break that bond really easy to release that energy, and which is why potatoes are so delicious.
What is a complex carbohydrate made up of? Cellulose, lignin, and other large complex molecules.
And cellulose is glucose molecules that are hooked together in a different kind of bond, and our bodies do not have the ability to break that bond. Glycogen is the structural polysaccharide that animals use to help glue their cells together. Another long-term energy storage molecule found in animals. So another important polysaccharide is chitin. This molecule is found in the exoskeletons of insects and also in the cell walls of fungi.